In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block a guest on Airbnb. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, whatever browser you have. So of course, once you open that browser, go to this URL section, simply type bnb.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on this website. So the first thing that you would like to do here is just go to the top right corner, click on these three lines, then click on login to log in into your account if you have one. As you can see, you can log in with your phone number or with Facebook, Google, Apple, or even email. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on sign up instead of login. And here you'll have to, of course, enter a phone number, or you can continue again with a Facebook, Google, Apple, or email. So if you just sign in into your account, you'll find this, and you will have, of course, to read all the term of service and make sure to agree on them and click on continue. And here you are. Welcome to Airbnb, and you'll have your account here. Of course, you will have to add your phone number as one of the steps if you want, especially to host some places to rent. And if you don't want to do that, click at I will do it later. You can upload a photo, as you can see, as the step two, or if you don't, you can click at I'll do it later, and you will be good to go with your account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, you would like to block a guest on Airbnb. And of course, if you want to do that, all you need to do, just open the reservation details page, then click at reports guest, then check the box to block them. Of course, you'll be able to do that if you click your account at the top right corner, click on manage a lesson, go to the lesson that someone book on it. As you can see, you can find everything on calendar. If someone book on it, just go and click on it. Open the reservation details. As we said, click on the reports guest because no one is booking anything of my own, so I cannot show you exactly how to do this, but I can tell you, of course. Click on the reports guest, then check the box to block them. And a reminder, never post any action requests, especially cancellation requests here, because nothing will happen ever. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.